COVID obviously had a pretty big impact on not only Prideful Wellness, but the touch industry in general. When you're spending, an hour to 2 hours or whatever in a room with somebody, it's hard not to breathe each other's air and, all of that kind of stuff. So we took all the precautions. We put a COVID killing air purification system on the HVAC. All the gloves and masks and PPE and all of it, and made it as safe as possible for when we could reopen. Getting a hold of PPE was I tell the story about how I didn't have enough gloves to open up, and it was still just me when we opened back up. So I don't know, I won't name names, but I got a hold of a guy who knew a guy who sells things out of a van. I bought a box of gloves from a guy out of a van for $15 for a box of gloves. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Just wild stuff. But we make do, and we keep pushing on because I believe in what we're doing here, and I believe that the space that we're creating is important. And I want to see this space continue to thrive and serve its true purpose.